You were apprehensive of actually joining Bipin and being part of MobiKwik. Why was that?
When we met, very serendipitously, we went to watch a play at India Habitat,
What was the play called?
What Women Want.
So you're
I
fine.
was not the organizer. We became friends over the course of the next few weeks and months, and it became apparent to me that he had this latent ambition that मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है, मुझे कुछ करना है, and he was probably not getting the encouragement, or he needed one catalyst, I think, to throw him off.
You were the fire starter.
I pushed him off the cliff. When I met him, he already had the MobiKwik logo. He already had a website. He already had some junior in IITs helping him code the whole thing. He was just not, converting it from a hobby project to a real life.
So you needed that somebody to
Yeah.
just push you to take
I mean,
the plunge.
I would say I had the gas. I need the ignition.
Ignition.
He was getting started, and
Huh.
I was very clear that I have moved back from California just to do my own payment startup. So I'm going to do my thing, and you are going to do your thing.
Huh.
After I saw his commitment and his respect towards his work, then I realized that why am I being a doofus, right? Like, his idea is MobiKwik. It's a wallet. मैं तो PayPal में wallet ही करके आई हूँ. I know payments. I know risk. And anyways, I was helping him on those points as a friend.
You
Months
also
after-
decided.
Yes. 6 months after he had started MobiKwik, I finally said, okay, I'm going to do this full time with you now.
Was there a conscious conversation around how you would structure lives at work and outside of work as well?
So we were not married then,
Yeah.
but we were living together. We had started living together, and our dining table in the drawing room, that was our workplace. We split that organically. I don't think there was any conscious conversation. It was more like 50-50.
Huh.
If I'm making breakfast, she's making dinner. We're not even 30, so our needs were not that many. Our chores were also not that many.
Right.
So we could focus 80% of our effort and time
On building MobiKwik.
on building MobiKwik.
One thing has been easy for us, regardless of the challenges in life, whether in personal or professional. I think we have a very simple and similar value system. So I think that keeps us together. Creating demarcations, creating boundaries. Like in terms of what I do now for the last few years, I've been focusing more on external facing thing, investors, finance, PR. And I don't get into any of the product and business decision making that he has been involved in. But all of this realization has come, I think, after the first 7-8 years. Our seating was also very far away.
You don't have work lunches together?
No,
Absolutely
never,
not. No.
never.